Hello, friends. This is Jawad Nagda from Fin-Rizon Management Consulting, and today we are going to discuss one of our very important connections in Power Query. So, if you have a worksheet, a workbook that looks something like this, where you have a similar structure table on various worksheets, and you want to consolidate all these worksheets into a single table. Let's see how we can achieve this using Power Query. So here we have a clean blank Excel file. I'm going to connect this file to the one I showed you by going into Data tab, Get Data from Other Sources, blank query. And once the query editor launches, we are going to launch Advanced Editor to add a little bit of M code. The first thing here, I'm going to define a full file path where my Excel file is stored, which is not this location, definitely. I have to copy it and then paste it here with the worksheet name .xlxx, comma, into the next row. And now I'm going to use these functions, excel.workbook, file.contents, and full file path. We already created this source. Now press done. And there we go. We have this file that we were looking for, where all these worksheets are listed as a table. And now just about a couple of more steps where we can filter does not begin with XL and M to kind of remove all these extra rows generated by the query. And there we go. We now have a nice little clean table. We can just add all the columns that we want to add. Like this, I can remove the top row, just one row, and promote the headers. And there you go. So while I'm not doing any further actions, because those who are using Power Query would already know the rest of the drills. So there you go, a quick little tip on how you can use Power Query to connect with multiple worksheets within a same workbook and make them into a single table. Hope you like that. More coming soon. Thank you.